What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post an unscheduled pay runs in Xero. So let's get started. So first off, you need to go to Xero's website by just typing go.xero.com, and after that you will be redirected to this website after signing up or logging in. After that, at the top, you will see the option of payroll. Click on that option, and after clicking on the payroll option, a drop-down list will appear wherein you need to select pay employees under the payroll processing. Now, after selecting pay employees at the top on the left side, you will see the option to add pay run. Click on that, and after that, a drop-down list will appear wherein you need to select a pay period. So from here, click on unscheduled pay run, and after that, enter all the details according to your wish and requirements. So this is how you can post an unscheduled payment in Xero. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.